Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today for fourth grade, we're doing number 82. So let's get started with our word form. 82, EIGHTY, 2TWO. And since there's a 2 in the ones place value, this is even. All right, so let's go for factors. So 1 times 82 equals 82. 2 goes in because it's even. So let's find out how many times 2 goes in. So get your scrap paper or write somewhere on the back of your paper, 82 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 8 4 times because 4 times 2 is 8. We subtract that out. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we're done with that column. Bring down the next number, which is 2. 2 goes into 2 one time because 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract that out and get 0. So we know 2 goes in 41 times. All right. Does 3 go in? Well, I'm not sure. Let's try it out. 82 divided by 3. 3 goes into 8 2 times because 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract that out. We get 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 doesn't go into 2, so we drop down the next number, 22. Well, 3 goes into 21 evenly, not 22. So 3 does not go in evenly. And if we look at this number right here and we go back in our daily number workouts, we'll find out that 41 is a prime number. So we are done. All right. Let's move on. So multiples. So we have 82. 182 is 82. We're counting by 82s. Let's go down here and multiply 2 82s. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. So we have 164. 3 82s. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 8 is 24. So we have 246. 4 82s. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 328. 5 82s. 5 times 2 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 would be 41. 410. 6 82s. 6 times 2 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 6 times 8 is 48, plus the 1 is 49. 492. 7 82s. 7 times 2 is 14. Drop the 4, carry the 1. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 1 is 57. 574. 82 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 1 is 65. 656. 9 82s. 9 times 2 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 9 times 7 is 72, plus 1 is 73. So we have 738. And then 10 times any number is that number with a 0 in the ones place. And we are done with our multiplication. Let's move on to addition. So I'm going to move my paper up a smidgen here. And we have 82 plus 1. Well, 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus nothing is 8. 82 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus nothing is 8. 82 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus nothing is 8. 82 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 8 plus nothing is 8. 82 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 plus nothing is 8. And remember, you might be checking those off saying, yeah, I got that right. I got that right. 82 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus nothing is 8. 82 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. 8 plus nothing is 8. 82 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 82 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 82 plus 10. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. And we're done with addition. So let me grab up some cards because we got to move the paper up for you to see. Subtraction. So here we go. We're going to start with the last sum, 92. 92 minus 82. 92 minus 82 minus 2 is nothing. 9 minus 8 is 1, so that's 10. 91 minus 82. 2 from 1 cannot do. Borrow from the 9, leaving 8, making that 11 minus 2 is 9. 8 minus 8, nothing. 90 minus 82. 2 from 0 cannot do. Borrow from the 9, making that 8. And that 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 8, nothing. 89 minus 82. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 8, nothing. 88 minus 82. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 8, nothing. 87 minus 82. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 8, nothing. 86 minus 82. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 8, nothing. 85 minus 82. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 8, nothing. 84 minus 82. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 8, nothing. 83 minus 82. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 8, nothing. And we are done with our adding, subtracting, and multiplying. Let's move on to our measurement using fractions to find equivalence. So here we go. Inches. Today, 82 inches. That's the number of the day. We're going to convert that into feet. So it takes 12 inches to make a foot. We have 82. Oh, so let me now rewrite that with a better marker here so you can see that it is 12. Because I got it all wicky-wacky. 12. There we go. So we want to divide it into sets of 12. So according to this, we can do 6 sets of 12. So that's 12, 24. And I'll move this up here. 36, 48, 60, 72. And then we still have, if we take 72 away from that 82, we still have 10. So that's a 0, 10. Ooh. Excuse me. So that means we get 6 whole and 10 12 feet. Linear length feet. All right. So if I was 82 inches tall, that means I would be 6 foot 10 inches tall, right? All right, let's go on to yards. Yards, it takes 36 inches to make a yard. We have 82. We're going to use our feet to figure out our yard. So we know 3 12s make 36. So here's 3 12s to make a set of 36. And then here's 3 12s to make a set of 36. And then we have 10. We add 36 plus 36 plus 10, we'd get 82. That's the ticket. And then the bottom number, whoops, the bottom number is always 36. Remember, don't erase, just budget. And now here we go. That would be 1, 2, and 10, 36 of a yard. 82 inches is the same as 6 feet, 10 inches, which is the same as 2 yards and 10 inches. All right, let's go on to our metric form of measurement, centimeters. We have 82 centimeters, lowercase c, lowercase m. And we're going to break it apart into decimeters. It takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. So we're going to make it into a fraction. And in fraction form, this is really says 82 divided by 10. That's what that means. So let's go. We can get 8 tens out of 80. So let's do 8 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, plus the 2. So we have 8 whole and 10 tenths of a decimeter. Looking good. Now we're going to go for meters. It takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. We only have 82, so we just have a part of a meter. All right, let's go for our liquid measurements. So all of these are done. Hopefully you checked them off. And if you didn't have them, you're writing them down as we go. Let's go for our ounces. Using the number of the day, we have 82 ounces. So keep that separate. And our cups, we know it takes 8 ounces to make a cup. So we're going to put our improper fraction, the number on top, the numerator, when it's bigger than the denominator, the bottom number, it is called an improper fraction. I'm going to write that down again. It's always nice to review improper fraction. Write that somewhere so you know. So we're going to break this apart. We can get 10 eighths out of 80. So we're going to do 8 over 8 plus 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 2 more, 2 over 8. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 8 is 80 plus the 2. So we have 10, whoops, a little equal sign here, 10 and 2/8 of a cup. Beautiful. And this is called, when we have a whole number and a fraction, that's called a mixed number. All right. Let's move on to pints. And we're going to use our cups to figure out pints because it takes 2 cups to make a pint. 16 ounces. And we have 82. So we're going to take these 2 cups and make 1 pint, 16 over 16, plus these 2, 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 16 over 16, and then we have the 2 over 16. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2/16 pints. Looking good. Here we go. Onward to quarts. It takes 32 ounces to make a quart. So we're going to put our 82 ounces over 32, and we're going to use this problem. It's going to take 2 pints to make a quart. So we're going to take these 2 pints. 16 plus 16 is 32. Then we're going to take these 2 pints, which equals 32. And then we need to add these together. 16 plus 2 is 18. So we have 18, 32. So that means we have 1, 2 whole, and 18, 32 quarts. Looking good. Let's go to gallons. Gallons. It takes 128 ounces to make a gallon. We only have 82, so we just have a partial gallon. We won't get to making a whole gallon with the number workout. Next is our metric form, which I've been getting wrong for many, many of these. So hopefully you're going to go back and correct yours. Please do. And hopefully your teacher helped you correct those before even now. So here we go. We got 82 milliliters, lowercase m, lowercase l. And to convert that into liters, it takes 1,000 milliliters to make a liter. So we only have 82 thousandths of a liter. And we are done with the daily number workout of 82. Thank you so much. See you soon.